Hi, Chase. Are you 3 months old? Are you a big boy? Huh? Are you a big boy? Are you a big boy? Can you talk to me? Talk to me. Here, give me these hands. Give me these hands, little brother. Did you scratch your face last night? Huh? Are you 3 months old? Huh? Huh? Yeah? What can you say? What can you say, happy boy? Yeah? What is it? You tried. You get it out. I love you. Is that what you said? Yeah, I love you. Tell me. Getting big. Yeah? Did you have your first picnic today? You did. You had your first picnic today? Yeah, we went to the creek. Yeah? I know. I love you. Are you mama's boy? Are you mommy's boy? Huh? Oh, spit up. Do you look like your daddy? Do you look like your daddy? Look like your daddy but sweet like your mommy? Daddy's kind of sweet too sometimes. Huh?